Namaste. IST India. Main aapka swagat hai. IST India is where global excellence meets Indian ingenuity. A place where talent, technology and purpose come together to shape the future of IDEMIA. With 1/3 of the global IST workforce based here, and as a key R&D sales and manufacturing hub, we drive excellence from India to the world. I'm really proud to introduce you to the IST India team.
We are about 100 experts, team based in Noida, supporting both our connectivity services and payment services business units. Our mission is to build state-of-the-art, secure, scalable and future-ready products. At IST R&D India, we feel proud to drive innovations, enable secure transactions for millions across the world right here from Noida.
We are very proud and being hosting all the most complete CS setups which is serving globally, covering R&D, product development, digital services, platform operations and customer support. India is not just supporting, we are driving global secure connectivity from the front.
We've built a highly experienced team, all working together to power, secure and innovate payment solutions for India and beyond. PS team, along with our manufacturing and service centers, have delivered 300 million payment cards till date and over 50 million cards annually.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art manufacturing hub in Noida, a cornerstone of IDEMIA global production network. This is one of the world's largest SIM manufacturing hub, delivering micro-modules and finishing card for global market. This factory supports over 600 clients worldwide. With end-to-end manufacturing from module packaging and SIM to the payment card personalization, we deliver tailored solution at scale. This is more than a factory. It is a global production engine, innovation lab and sustainability model, a complete one-stop shop.
It is my honor to lead a vibrant and future-ready HR team. We balance learning, wellness and fun by organizing multiple engagement activities.
At IST India, our finance team is more than just a support function. We are the backbone of operational excellence and business agility.
Our legal team plays a vital role in enabling IST India's operations, ensuring compliance, protecting our interests, and facilitating smooth business transactions.
At IDEMIA India Foundation, our efforts are centered around creating a more inclusive, sustainable and compassionate society. Under our skilling program, we run programs that provide vocational training to youth from underserved backgrounds with a special focus on empowering women. On the environmental front, our Biodiversity Park is a flagship initiative. We have transformed an abandoned industrial dump yard into a thriving green space. At IST, we don't just invest in the future of technology. We invest in people, we invest in communities, we invest in change. Because progress is only real when it includes everyone.